Experiencing trouble connecting your Swann security app to your DVR? You're not alone. Connection issues have become increasingly common in 2024 and 2025 due to several technical changes. Understanding the basic connection flow is essential. Your security cameras connect to a DVR, which then connects to your router and ultimately to the internet for remote access. Three main issues cause most connection problems. First, network protocol changes from router firmware updates disrupt device communication. Second, internet service providers increasingly restrict port forwarding for security reasons. Third, older DVR models struggle with QR code readability during setup. There are three primary methods to connect your Swann app to your DVR. Each method serves different scenarios and has specific requirements. Local network connection works when your phone and DVR are on the same Wi-Fi network. This method uses UPnP for automatic discovery and typically uses ports 9000 through 9100. Remote connection allows internet access from anywhere. This requires port forwarding through your router or uses Swann's P2P cloud relay services for simplified setup. QR code pairing is the quickest setup method. The DVR generates a QR code containing network credentials and device identifiers, making it the most reliable option for initial configuration. The QR code method provides the most reliable connection setup. The mobile app interface guides you through scanning the DVR-generated code for automatic configuration. Successful connections require specific technical requirements. Your network needs at least 2 megabits per second upload speed for each camera, and specific ports must be available for communication. Your mobile device must run iOS 12 or newer, or Android 8.0 or newer, with camera permissions enabled for QR code scanning. The latest Swann app version 4.x series provides the best compatibility. Understanding your network topology is crucial. The connection flows from the internet through your router to create a local area network where your DVR and mobile device communicate. Success depends on understanding these connection fundamentals. Check network compatibility, verify port availability, use QR code pairing when possible, and ensure your DVR has proper power and network connections as shown in the back panel diagram. First, verify basic connectivity. Both your DVR and mobile device must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network with active internet access. Update both the Swann Security app and your DVR firmware to the latest versions. This resolves most compatibility issues and improves connection stability. QR code setup is the recommended method with a 94% success rate. Access your DVR's network settings, navigate to mobile, then QR code to display the pairing code. In the Swann Security app, tap Add Device, then scan QR code. Point your phone's camera at the DVR's QR code display with adequate lighting for best results. If QR code fails, use manual setup. Find your DVR's local IP address, typically starting with 192.168.1, then enter this IP, port 9000, and your login credentials in the app. For remote access outside your home network, configure port forwarding in your router. Forward ports 80, 9000, and 9200 to your DVR's local IP address. If your internet provider restricts port forwarding, use a dynamic DNS service. This creates a web address that automatically updates with your changing IP address. Here's a comparison of setup methods. QR code setup achieves 94% success rate, making it the clear winner over manual configuration at 78% success rate. Implement these preventive measures to maintain stable connections. Restart your router monthly, update firmware quarterly, and monitor network bandwidth to ensure optimal performance. Remember this troubleshooting sequence. Check network connectivity first, update software second, try QR code setup third, use manual configuration as backup, and configure remote access last. Following this order resolves most connection issues efficiently.